Let me show you something that genuinely surprised me. I'm inside Flora, and I'm going to generate some of the most detailed close-up portrait photography I've ever seen from an AI model. The model I'm using is Nano Banana 2, and my prompt is very specific: Sony A1 85mm f1.4, natural subsurface scattering, skin pores at near macro level, Magnum Photos quality, raw, documentary, no retouching. Look at what comes out. This is not a photograph. This was generated. The pores, the wrinkles, the individual hairs. This is the level of detail I've been chasing for a long time. Now here's where it gets interesting. I want to bring these portraits to life, so I connect them directly inside Flora to a video node, and I test every model available. Veo 3.1, Veo 3.1 frames, Veo 3.1 ingredients. I run them all. The prompt: cinematic zoom out. Subject completely still, only the camera moves. Grey-green eyes revealed as the zoom completes. Dark harbor bokeh, warm skin tones, documentary film quality, and the winner, Veo 3.1, by a clear margin. The motion is smooth, the skin holds up, the whole thing feels like a scene from a real film. This is what I love about Flora. Image to video in one canvas with the best models available all in one place. Links in the comments. Try Flora yourself. And if you want to clone your own voice to narrate your content, I've also dropped the 11 Labs link down there.